Holy shit, folks. BGC is a ghost town right now. I know behind me it might not look like it is, but trust me when I say it really is a ghost town. And I would argue now is the perfect time to be in BGC, as I'll explain shortly. Now, you might be asking yourself, where on earth has everybody gone? Well, I believe everybody's headed for the provinces because the time is around about mid-March. Actually, the time of recording this video, it's exactly the 18th of March. And right now in the Philippines, the weather is probably at its best. It's dry season, peak summer, and everybody is headed to the provinces, to the beaches, such as Boracay, El Nido, Cebu, you name it. But because it's high season, unfortunately, you're going to have to deal with a lot of high season prices. And so accommodation prices are going to be like 2 times more expensive than their usual. And in BGC, I think the accommodation prices are half price, because when I have a look on Airbnb, there are actually accommodation prices that would usually be in about the 3K to 4K range, going for as low as 2,000 pesos per night. So if you're somebody who hasn't gone to the provinces yet, or is living locally, or is thinking about maybe taking like a city break, who lives outside of the provinces, now is the time to be in BGC, because you can get some fantastic accommodations for really, really low prices. They're almost like a steal. One of my friends who's currently in the provinces, in Bohol, tells me that the beaches are completely rammed. As much as I love the beach and as much as I love good weather, I hate when the beaches become to the point where folks are even blocking your view of the sunset. That means your favorite restaurants like Nona's behind me and Manam right next door, and all the other restaurants in this area are very, very underoccupied. Meaning you, wow, actually, speaking of Manam, it's still pretty busy, but usually the queues would be flowing all the way out here. Not today, not in this month of March, because everybody's in the provinces. So if you're somebody who hates waiting for queues, now's the time to be in BGC. And just look at this, behind me here, what would usually be almost impossible to secure yourself a mover scooter. There's a whole fleet of them just behind me that nobody's using at the moment. So honestly, if you're watching this video and you're thinking about maybe coming to BGC, now is the perfect time to do so, really. You're going to experience the city without the chaos and without the inflated prices in the area. You're getting it at a huge discounted price. And with that in mind, folks, I think I'm going to be staying around in BGC to focus on myself and to avoid the really high seasonal prices in the provinces at this moment in time. Over the last week, which I haven't really been uploading, I've been taking my fitness seriously and I'm trying to get really focused on it. Hello. I've signed up once again to paddle and I've been hitting the gym pretty frequently. And I've noticed since hitting the gym, I'm starting to intake a lot more food. And that's because I'm probably burning a lot more calories by exercising more frequently. Hello. Look at this. Empty. Uptown Mall is empty, folks. Big boy, how are you? Good to see you. Long time no see. You sound big.
He's now a full-grown man.
Is he?
Oh, 17 years old.
Oh, only 3 years old. And how is? What's he like optimum age? I thought it was like 18 months. Oh,
Maybe when you first met him, as he's only 1.5.
Yeah, maybe 1. Alright, I now need to get some dinner for tonight. And I'm gonna head to this particular Singaporean restaurant, which I really love. Oh, this tap isn't working. Where they do like really delicious Hainanese chicken. I think it's the only place that I know in BGC that does Hainanese chicken. In the uptown area, that is, as well. But before I go to the restaurant, I'm just gonna clean my hands because I was playing around with Hermes, the Alaskan Husky, just earlier. He did leave a bunch of saliva on my trousers, but no biggie. All right, and we are here. I've gone ahead and ordered 1 single roast chicken serving and another Hainanese chicken serving, both with rice, and it comes with unlimited, I think, chicken stock soup. Oh, got some dipping sauces alright. Thank you. Alright. Thank you. Look at this. We've got some ginger here. I believe this is some sort of sweet soy sauce and some chili sauce there too. You know, and the prices here are pretty good. You get a full Hainanese chicken serving with rice and a soup for 295 pesos, which is around about, I think, 6 USD, something like that. Oh, and what I like to do is I like to drink this soup straight out the bowl. Bloody hell, that's burning my throat. Now, according to this flyer here, it says it's been awarded a Michelin star in 2017, 2018, 2019, 2021, 2022, 2023. So pretty much every consecutive year since 2017, it's received a Michelin star. Pretty good, eh? And these are some of the different foods which you can order. I think I've ordered that one. I believe this is the lemon chicken. I haven't been very experimental with ordering the different types of food here, but I think this is also the roasted chicken. So I usually go with that better than that. And these are all the different locations where you can find at this Singaporean restaurant. I think the name is like Tiong. What is the name? Tiong Baru. But anyway, I like to come to this restaurant to get some really clean chicken for my gains. Okay, there's the Hainanese chicken, and this is a single roasted chicken. Yeah, thank you very much. Wow, look at how crispy that chicken skin looks. Listen to that. And the Hainanese chicken looks so succulent and creamy. Okay, so let me show you how to eat this, right? You get some of this dipping sauce, you do a little bit of this action, oh my god, and you slap it, and then you slap it in your mouth like this. You know, Hainanese chicken is supposed to be steamed, but it's always served cold, and I don't know why that is. If anybody knows why that is, let me know in the comments. But the roasted chicken is fire. It is hot. Right, so that single serving of Hainanese chicken and roasted chicken stack up to about half a serving of chicken, and I don't know how much that contributes to grams, but I think I might have just hit my recommended daily protein intake, which is like for every 1 kilo in which you weigh, you should be ingesting around about, is it 2.2 grams of protein or something like that? So if you weigh 100 kgs, you should be intaking around about 220 grams worth of protein.
Sir.
Hello, can I get my usual? Thank you. Oh yeah, iced Americano. Secure. You know what, for now I'm gonna have a drink of his coffee and then probably go upstairs, get changed, come down and head over to the gym where I've signed up again at a paddle club, which I think I already aforementioned. I've brought my jump rope, here it is. And I'm going to start off by doing a bit of skipping and then move over onto upper body workout. I've also brought my trusty Gatorade sports drink, but it's not the usual 500 ml or 900 ml that I like to go with. It's a 1.5 litre Gatorade bottle. I know, it's massive, but they don't have any smaller size in 7-Eleven, so I had to buy this one. In total, it gives you about 50,000 calories per 200 ml this drink. I don't know if you care, I'm not sure what that means either, but I'm hoping this hydrates me better than water. I like to dub Gatorade as the elixir of life. Anyway, let's get... I swear, this new jump rope that I bought from Toby's about a week ago is so thin, I don't think you can even see it on the camera. It's not being picked up by my camera because it moves so quickly and it's so hard to see, especially given it's night. But it's a steel cable, so it's really, really strong. And this, I guess, could be used in two ways. One, for skipping, and if somebody pisses me off or breaks into my house, yes, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm now gonna jump over to the bench. I've got 25 kilos on each side. With the bar, we're probably looking around about 70 kilos. I mean, it's a good, reasonable weight for myself. I feel comfortable with this weight. I think I can do around about 7 to 8 reps, which is a good, comfortable range. If I want to go heavier, I probably could. I could probably put 30 on each side, but then I'll be hitting maybe like 4 or 5 reps each time. We'll go down and hit more of like the 12 to 15 rep range, which I probably plan to do a little later. But as you can see, I don't have any, there is no clamps here on this side. I haven't put them on because I can control the weight pretty well, and I have quite good stability in the bar, as you'll see, which some of my friends are pretty impressed by. And notice, like, when I bring the bar down, it touches my chest for the full range of motion, the full hyperflexion in your muscles, because that's where most of the tear is going to happen. And I feel like if I don't make the bar touch my chest, yeah, there's probably going to be somebody complaining about, oh, you're not doing it right. So there's no excuses. I can't go any further and I can't go any far out, so I'm doing it right. Alrighty folks, I got my workout in and I've discussed why BGC is so empty as of now. I think it also may have something to do with Holy Week being next week, so maybe if people timed it right, maybe they might have taken an extra week off prior to Holy Week to get like a really long vacation in. But folks, before I wrap up today's video here, if there's anybody interested in any sort of like Airbnb accommodations in this area, I'll leave a link in the description below that I found really cheap if you want to go ahead and book that, you know, in the next upcoming days. And with that said, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video, and share it with friends and family. And I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching, guys. Take care and bye for now.